Hello and welcome to this DJI tutorial video. This video will show you how to activate your Phantom 4 Pro. Power on the remote controller and the Phantom 4 Pro. Connect the mobile device and remote controller with a USB cable. Ensure that your mobile device is connected to the internet. Launch DJI Go 4 and an activation prompt will pop up. You'll need to activate your Phantom 4 Pro when connecting with DJI Go 4 for the first time. Activation will mark the beginning of your 1-year warranty. Tap Next and name your Phantom 4 Pro. You can change the name later in the app if you so choose. Tap Continue, then choose a stick mode. The default stick mode is Mode 2. You can set a customized mode under Remote Controller Settings after activation. Tap Continue, then select your desired measurement system and video standard. Tap Continue to enter Beginner Mode settings. The aircraft is set to Beginner Mode by default. In beginner mode, the aircraft won't take off without a GPS signal, and flight altitude and distance will be limited to 98 feet, or 30 meters. Also, the infrared sensing system is enabled in beginner mode. Tap Continue to confirm your account's email address. Please note that the account you use to activate your Phantom 4 cannot be changed later. The aircraft's information will be bound to your account permanently. Your account will serve as proof of your warranty when you apply for service. Tap Activate. After your Phantom 4 Pro is activated successfully, feel free to check out Tutorials for Beginners in the app and practice flying safely. Thank you for watching.